Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. It's actually early afternoon at the moment. It's like 1:30. Been kind of busy this morning. So I'm going to show you what we've been getting at and stuff like that. So you see laundry in a line. That's actually full at the moment, so I got to wait till that dries. I got a little bit more clothing-wise laundry here and maybe one more pair of pants. Plus the ones that I have on need to be washed. And then I have towels and bed sheets and all that to do, but you just kind of do it when you can in a cycle. And the weather has just been miserable. Torrential downpours yesterday. I mean, crazy downpours. We're going to go out to the chicken run. I'm going to kind of show you that, and we're going to get that more squared away today as well. So that's part of what I wanted to get done. But laundry's on the line. That's going, getting squared away, which is good. And so did my dishes, caught up all my dishes. They're already all washed and put away. And so that part is also done. I have 2 bales of straw left right now. All right, so I'm going to show you first over here. I got 1 bale over by the chickens. I have another bale sitting here, okay? That bale right there is going to go into the puppy run. Because that's pretty muddy as well. I'm going to put a lot of it inside the kennel area for them, and then I try to spread some out in the other area as well. So I'll be doing that today as well. Got them locked up for the moment, just so that I can get what I got to get done, and not have them all over the place, going after the cats and playing with. They want to play, but they don't realize how big they are, and the cats are kind of tiny. So we got to make sure the cats are safe. Alright, so this is bad in here, guys. I mean, we had, like I said, we did have torrential downpours, and this was pretty solid a couple days ago. But now it is a freaking mess in this chicken run. So I'm like, I got to get this straw in here, and actually today's a good day to do it. I already refilled their water. There's their bucket of food. That bucket was a mess. I washed completely, had to wash inside and outside the bucket. But if you can see, it's just a mess in here. It's just all mud, and you're sinking down, and I don't want them to have to be walking through that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up. And let's see. Yeah, you can see okay that way. Now I've already, like I said, I've already been in here today already. Watch out, birdies. Come on, baby. I don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. All right, girlies. I hope everybody's happy. Watch out, baby. All right, so that didn't take long at all. Pulled the poop out of the coop area, put down new bedding as you just saw in there, put a full bale of straw in here. I put some fresh straw in their nesting box, and then this way they got a dry area to walk on instead of walking through the mud, which I think is important. Fresh food, and there we go. It helps that it's not 100 degrees out here, or high 90s, or even 90. I think we're low 80s today, so that's something that I want to get done. I am going to take that other bale of straw, and it's going to go into the dog run when I let them out later, and then I'll have to see about getting some more straw in here. Never ends, folks. I'm going to tell you that right now. It never ends. There's always something to do. There's always something that needs to be taken care of. And that's okay. I don't mind that. The animals can't take care of themselves. I got to have somebody that takes care of them. And there's Miss Bonnie. Bonnie, Bonnie, Bonnie. What are you doing, girlie? What are you doing, girlie? They love to be outside. So it's funny, when I come home at night from work, I just give them a couple of calls and they come flying. That's a good girl. Look at that pretty girl. Look at that pretty girl. Yes. I know, you got your motor running. Good girl. Good girl. And there's Clyde coming. What's up, Clyde? What you doing, buddy? They're really good cats. Really, really good cats. Obviously, they're still babies, so I try to be protective of them, especially with the dogs. They'll get some size to them, but they're doing well. They're doing real good. So, all right, guys. I think that is it for the moment. Oh, live stream tonight, 6 o'clock for hardcore members. So please join me then if you would like to see that. 8 o'clock for everybody else. So that's the game plan for this evening. I will also be live streaming on Friday at 8 o'clock for everyone, okay? So 6 o'clock tonight for hardcore members, 8 o'clock for everybody else, and we will have a discussion then. But being productive today because the weather is definitely cooperating. I'm able to get things done, which needed to get done. We've had so much rain, it has been ridiculous. So, good day, very productive. All right, folks, I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.